how many of you know that the final exam schedule has been revised within the last?
I heard rumors of it.
Just two of you. No, I'm in the same boat. As of May 2nd, they put on the portal a revised final exam schedule, but they didn't send an email saying make sure you check it, and they didn't label it very well. It just says Spring 2011 revised. That's all it's labeled.
Oh my goodness.
So Friday, I found out that there was a revision, and then yesterday I found out that the revision is quite dramatic sometimes. So let's see what, okay, in this class, which means it's 2, so we're going to have May 17, Tuesday, 1 to 2:50. Who's got their syllabus?
Yeah.
What does the syllabus say?
I believe it says the same
2
time.
to 250?
1 to
It's
250.
1 to 2:50. All right, so here's what they've done. Tuesday, week from today, was 17. The final is supposed to be from noon to 1:50. I'm sorry, wait. I'm sorry. 1 to 2:50. Is that what this was like? Oh, what? So that one didn't change.
So 1 to 250.
Okay. So that one did not change.
So
All
wait,
right.
what, this class is from 1 to 250
Tuesday, week from today.
on the 17th.
So if that's on the back of the syllabus, it hasn't changed.
Well, that was what was on the back of the schedule. You know, the schedule that you get.
Schedule book.
Syllabus?
No, the schedule that you get from
The
the
catalog.
The catalog.
The catalog's when you, the class schedule.
Okay. Does anybody have their syllabus? Is it right?
Yeah.
What's the syllabus say? That's all I'm asking, is what is the syllabus? Okay, all right, so the syllabus is correct. So if you forget, you can look on the back of the syllabus. Okay,
1 to 250.
here's the killer though. The other
Harmony.
class, the advanced harmony, was originally Monday, May 23rd from noon to 1:50. I told you it's on the back of the syllabus to show up an hour early. And I keep reading this thinking I'm reading it wrong. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 o'clock class is now the same day, Monday, May 29th, but it's 8 a.m. to 9:50.
The 29th?
23rd.
Okay.
Monday the 23rd.
Okay, you said the
23rd.
29th.
No, 23rd, same day, Monday the 23rd.
8 until 9.
8 to 9:50. I don't understand. That's almost like a typo. I keep reading it over and over again, but it always says 8 to 9:50.
When is the first semester's final? Because that was generally the time for the first semesters.
Yeah, it's always an hour earlier than class.
Right. But, no, don't get me on that, because I already went through that. Okay, all right, so, now, is everybody here? Because I'm almost tempted to just go ahead and have it when we were going to have it at noon, but I don't know if that's going to conflict with anybody else's.
Not me.
Does anybody know? Okay, the 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday morning, is that going to conflict with anybody's work schedule?
It's just early.
Yeah, it is.
Conflict with my dog walk.
What about the noon to the 12 to 2? Would that conflict with any of your other? What I need you to do is look at the revised one
Yeah.
and see if it changed any of your other exams. So there may be a dominant. So I have nothing against just sticking to the noon to 2, but we can't do that if somebody's going to come up at the last minute and say, oh, I just found out my English or something else was moved to 12, so I can't do it. So could everybody, I don't know where this is. I know it's on the portal, but that's,
I just wonder if
trying to find it on the portal is a
E-classes.
mess. I don't know if they have a stack of
Yeah,
these
right,
anywhere.
like
If you could,
Not
Do you have
exactly,
two semesters?
but they do have copies
No,
of them.
I don't have- I didn't even
If you
take
go
the-
into the
Oh, really?
main office, the 100 building, it is on where the
Yeah, I took the
EPNS
for myself,
office,
so I
they
said-
have one there, and then they have one right across from the registration.
okay, so over across from
then I was
registration.
thinking, well, maybe it's health or something.
So check and see so that we're all on the same time. So we can do either one, but I'm kind of like do that 8 a.m. I don't know if your brain's going to be working with it.
I like the 12.
But it's important that everybody checks them. Otherwise, you'll be there on the Monday and having said, yeah, I can do 12, finding out that some other exam was moved to 12. That will be very uncomfortable for you to have 2 finals at the same time.
I should be able to find out by
Check and
tomorrow
see if
for
you can
myself
check that.
personally.
It's not gonna change, Dr. Matthews.
I know. Which just doesn't make sense though, because you've got 2 of them that say 8 to 9:50, and then 2 of them say 10 to 11:50, and then the next one says 1 to 2:50, and then ours says 8 to 9:50, and then it goes back to 10 to 12.
What? That does sound like a typo.
Yeah.
They probably laid off the person that did it normally.
That's actually what's happened. They've let go of so many classified staff that everybody who's the secretary or something is doing the work of 3 people, and they're doing things they've never done. So at the beginning of this semester, the world music was 70 people was scheduled in a room that held 30. So I had to go down and say, that can't be right. And they go, oh, that doesn't hold that many. Oh, I didn't know that. So it was somebody who never scheduled music classes. So Pat Smallin retired. She knew all the rooms. She knew exactly how many people could fit in every room. So those people are gone, and the people that are remaining. So I'm
Just send the
not.
final home, have a take-home final.
I understand it's rough, but to change
Take
this
home final.
to a final. If you
That'd be
got
nice.
You know, like a 2-2 final.
And take
2
home
to 2.
fun.
Part 1
Yeah,
and part 2.
12 hours. Wow. All right, I'll have to get some more things for you. Okay. Now, because of the final exam mess, it created the jury mess. Because the juries had to be moved up an hour. So instead of 11 to 1, my final got moved back an hour, so the juries had to jump back from 10 to 12. So you're not playing a jury. Are you playing a jury? Did you sign up yet? Would you like to? And you were doing yours at the Tuesday noon. You're not doing a jury. You're not doing a jury. You're going to decide. You're already signed up. Dr. Wade to put you on there, but if you want to cross it out.
I want to talk to you about it. I mean,
Okay.
because part of me wants to, because I feel like I
Yeah,
can do
because
a
you
better
get criticism,
performance.
and no, it's all right. If you're going to do this as a audition or something like that, a lot of people do both the Tuesday noon and the jury. That's fine.
I mean, but it would also take off a lot of stress off my shoulders too. I mean, so really, I feel like it benefits me either way.
Well, then that's what coins are made for. That's why coins have 2 sides. You can't decide.
Not a base.
Oh, I am definitely old enough to take. So heads.
Call it
Okay,
right.
but heads,
Heads.
you do the jury and give Dr. Matthews $20 for his trouble. Tails, you don't do the jury and give Dr. Matthews $20 for his. Okay, where's my $20?
Heads.
I don't even remember what heads were supposed to be.
Heads is you're doing a jury.
Okay, I guess I'm doing it.
Okay,
Unless you want to go 2 out of 3.
Yeah, let's do it.
2 out of 3. What are the odds of that happening? Okay, so she already put you there. It's been moved, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. So,
But now you got.
But now I need 4 slots instead of 2.
there aren't 4 in a row.
I won't do it. If it's gonna, because it's 20 minutes.
I can ask if she can move Gina Jones and Joseph Jones up earlier. That would give you 4 spots.
And if not, then it is what it is.